Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use rendering video montage. Let's try it together. Step 1. Enter Montage tool. Enter the Design tool and click on Gallery in the top toolbar. Method 1. Select a video that has been rendered in Gallery and click Montage. Method 2. View videos in the gallery and click the Montage tool below the video. Step 2. Select Import clips in a way. After clicking Montage, choose the way of importing clips, selecting either Full Import or Segment Import. Step 3. Video settings. Set the video scene ratio. Options include 16:9, 9:16, 4:3, 3:4, 1:1. Set background, choosing black or obscure. Step 4. Material function. You can add graphic annotations, shapes, and other materials. Drag the materials onto the video track and place them at the required time points. Function 1. Edit annotation content. Click on the annotation material to edit text content. Function 2. Adjust material size. Set the zoom value or drag the 4 adjustable nodes around the material. Step 5. Add subtitles. Click Add Subtitles. After entering subtitle text, it will be displayed in the video. You can move the subtitle position in the video and set the time points for subtitles to appear in the video track below. In the subtitle settings, set the subtitle zoom size and color. Step 6. Add images videos. Click on the lower left, Add Image Video, to import multiple images or videos. Select the images/videos to be added and click. Confirm the addition. After importing multiple videos, you can add transition effects between different videos. Step final. Set a video cover. Click Cover to add a cover image and set cover title and title heading style. After the setup is complete, click Save Video in the top right corner. That's all. Thanks for watching.